seeping through the walls, slipping through the cracks. She hangs around while I get those old feelings back. How she's only a memory that I'm addicted to. She keeps me living in the past, and I gotta turn loose. So I'm giving up the ghost, ain't gonna let her haunt me. But when I close my eyes, I know what I won't see. When she comes to visit